Not again. It turned off. So, I'm using this.
Oh, so disgusting.
So, this is going to be a part 3.
Hot sweet. Tara na, punta tayo sa cock.
Punta nga lang natin dito. Well, ang tagal pero, onti lang oras. It felt so fun. Maybe because we have all the adventures we have. Thank you. Ladies first! Masira yan.
She's just walking and the bridge is shaking a lot.
Try ko mag-tiktok.
Dapat, wait lang. Ako inspector. Dapat magtitiptoe lang kayo. Oy, tiptoe lang. Talo. Panalo si Alden.
Ladies first! Let me... Marcus first! If you are confused, the yellow one is me, the blue one is Alvino. Yes.
Yellow ka? Di ba orange yan?
Huh? Orange to?
Orange yan.
Yellow to?
Orange yan.
Yellow.
Alden! Red! Orange is okay ba? What the frick?
Then, ito green, yellow to.
Sabi nga yellow. Sabi ko orange.
Look, I have the power. Oh. Let me try something.
At home.
Try it outside.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, try it if you're like older than 10 years old. Because in that point on, you have a brain. And your brain is going to be smart. So, 10 plus.
May nagpa-basketball. Tara, maglaro na lang tayo dun sa room. Yes.
How?
Dati niluluro ko to nasa Pampanga.
Ano?
Cooking mama na! Hanap-hanap kayo ng mga dahon. Bal! Maghanap-hanap na ng dahon. Parang bangka. Talaga na.
Yes. Hintayin niyo ako!
Hanap kayo ng dahon.
Testing. Ito, dahon. Hello, Piggy boy. Oh,
Squiggling state.
like a dog.
Madaming leaves.
Biyan mo.
Hi, Piggy, with the light.
Pagkain. We have no food. No food. We have no food this time.
You like this?
Wala siyang tali.
Meron siya sana.
Oh.
Ayaw niya to.
We have no food today.
Boy.
We have no food today. Sorry, we disappointed you. Pwede ba siya hawakan?
Yung taas lang ba? Kagatin ka sa ano. Taas lang ah.
I touched the pig. Since like
Bye-bye.
after 4 or 6 years, I haven't touched a pig that is still alive. Oh, puppy.
Yeah, pa dito.
Bye, piggy. See you later. Also when we were trying to cook pig, it felt like I was screaming.
Parcel daw ni ate o tawag ka. Ubarin niyo yung damit. Parcel daw ni ate po na kayo. Gusto mo maligo?
Saan?
CR. Ligo na kayo. Gusto niyo? Pauwi. Ubarin niyo yung mga damit niyo. Basa. Ubarin niyo yung mga damit niyo.
On.